How do you know if truck brake noise is rotors or pads? Ever heard strange noises when you hit the brakes on your truck or 18-wheeler? It can be confusing to figure out if the problem is with the rotors or the brake pads. Let's break down how to tell the difference so you can keep your truck safe and running smoothly. First, listen carefully to the noise. If you hear a high-pitched squeal or squeaking sound every time you brake, it's often a sign that the brake pads are wearing thin. Many brake pads have a built-in metal wear indicator that makes contact with the rotor when the pad material gets down to about 2 to 3 millimeters thick. This contact causes a loud squeal to alert you it's time for new pads. If you ignore this, the pads can wear down completely, and the metal backing plate might start grinding against the rotor, creating a harsh grinding noise. That sound is a clear sign the pads are gone and the rotor is being damaged. Now, if you notice a low-frequency squeal or feel vibrations through the brake pedal or steering wheel when you brake, it could mean the rotors are warped or uneven. Warped rotors cause the brake surface to be uneven, which leads to vibrations and sometimes squealing. Rust buildup on the rotor surface can also cause squeaking, especially if the rust is thick or the rotor surface is contaminated with brake dust. You might also see grooves or scoring marks on the rotor surface. These grooves happen when debris gets trapped between the pad and rotor or if the pads are worn down too much. They can cause noise and reduce braking efficiency. To be sure, do a visual inspection. Check the thickness of the brake pads. If they are less than 3 millimeters, they probably need replacing. Look for grooves, rust, or uneven wear on the rotor surface. If the rotor has deep scoring or looks rusty, it might need to be resurfaced or replaced. When inspecting, listen to the noise again. Squealing usually points to pads or their wear indicators. Grinding indicates the pads are worn out and damaging the rotor. Vibrations or juddering often mean the rotor is warped. Also, check the brake hardware, like caliper slider pins, because if they are stuck, they can cause uneven pad contact and noise. For trucks and 18-wheelers, this is especially important because their brake components endure a lot of stress from heavy loads and long drives. Regular inspections of pad thickness and rotor condition help prevent costly repairs and keep your truck safe. Using high-quality brake pads with proper shims and lubrication can also cut down on noise and extend rotor life. Addressing brake noise early on ensures your truck maintains good braking performance, which is vital for heavy vehicles. So, remember, if you hear a high-pitched squeal or grinding sound, it's usually the pads. If you feel vibrations or notice uneven noise, the rotors are likely the cause. Checking the physical condition of both parts will help you identify the real issue and keep your truck braking smoothly.